Good morning, children. I hope all are fine. Today, we just introduced the exam trial. How you write the MCQ questions. In your MCQ questions, there are some instructions are there. You read very carefully. Okay. Then let's start. First question, in your Hindi exam, there are 25 questions are there. Today, this is your question pattern. So I do only 10 questions. Choose the English meaning of Kachua. Look at the question. Choose the English meaning of Kachua. Kachua. Then here gives 4 options, 4 choices. Chair, tortoise, hut, river. Can you see these options? Chair, tortoise, hut, river. Then you find out the correct answer and then mark here. Choose the correct answer, then put like this. You click there. Understood? First question, choose the English meaning of Kachua. Then here it gives 4 options. One is the correct answer. Then you click. The second question, pick out the plural form of bacha. Bacha, plural form of bacha. Then you know this word. Bacha, plural form is bache. Then you click them. Bache. You find out the correct word, then click. Then third question, pick out the correct answer. Pa plus va plus na. Choose the correct answer. Read each. Pa, va, na, pa. Is it correct? No. Pavan. Is it correct? No. Pavan. No. Then this is the correct answer. Then you click here. Okay. Fourth question. Choose the correct word. Dash ek tota hai. Choose it. This. Ek tota hai. This one is the correct answer. Ek tota hai. Fifth question. Kaun nadi mein gir gaya? Read the question very carefully. Kaun nadi mein gir gaya? Who fall in the river? Chuha. You know the answer. Chuha, rat. Here there are 4 options. Chuha, Gudiya, Budha, Julie. Then correct answer is Chuha. Then you click there. Choose the Hindi word of elephant. Elephant. Which one is the Hindi word? Bakari, is it correct? No. Kachua? No. Gach? Okay, then click here. Click here. This is the correct answer. Elephant, gach. Next, choose the missing letter. Dash, la. You already learned the word. This kila. Others are wrong answer. You take the correct answer, then click here. Once more, choose the missing letter. Dash, la. Kila. Kila meaning fort. Kila, fort. Next, 8th question. Identify the picture and pick out the correct word. First of all, you identify this and pick out the correct word from here. Grah, mrig, trin, nrib. You already know these meanings. Grah, house. This one is the correct one. Grah, house. Next, 9th question. Pick out the word with ir ki matra. Pick out the word with ir ki matra. Ir symbol ഉപയോഗിച്ചുള്ള words. Read the words. Sabun, mrig, kudiya, kabutar. Which one? Ir ki matra. Which word comes ir ki matra? Mrig. Then you click here. Choose the right word from the brackets. Okay. Adarak, 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 adarak. Which one is the correct word? Adarak. What is the meaning of adarak? Ginger. Okay. Here I work only 10 question patterns. Next. Okay. MCQ question means multiple choice questions. You only click there. Don't write. Okay. Thank you. All the best.